Alright guys, you made it. Lesson 16.4, geometry, and it's our last video on area. More specifically, we're doing surface area again. You've now, after this video, graduated to volume. Okay, I thought for the last video we'd do a couple of verbal problems. Do not panic when you see all this English, okay? It's very simple. If you can find the correct formula for surface area for a given shape, you'll be fine, okay? Alright, let's start with number 11. We're on page 23. It says, if a cone with a diameter of 10 meters has a surface area of 290.6 square meters, find its slant height. Well, here, I'm going to draw you my cone the best that I can. Woo, that's pretty good. Alright, on the last video, was showing you a trick with the surface area of a cone, and I had GCF'd or factored out that pi. This is a great example where you want to use this formula. Okay, matter of fact, you might just want to update it and put it like this. Alright, it's going to make your life so much easier. Alright, what is the surface area? Right here, surface area of this cone is 290.6. You're going to change pi to 3.14. Alright, now we need the radius of this. Well look, they gave me the diameter. So here's the center. I'm going to draw in the diameter. Put 10, was it meters? Alright, that's the diameter. So you cut that baby in half. Your radius is going to be 5. See, I told you this is easy. Put radius as 5. Now you need that fun slant height. Oh wait, that's what they want. Look, find its slant height. So leave that as L. And then take the radius and plug it in for r squared. 5 squared is 25. Folks, I'm going to put an arrow here. Let's pause a second. Can I get you to, if I can get you to this line, you're good. Correct formula, plug in all the numbers. You're always in a good mood when there's only one variable. When there's one variable left in an equation, you can figure it out. Because here's your dotted line, your left and right hand side of the equation. We're going to get rid of that 3.14. Divide both sides by 3.14. This is just solving equations. So I'm going to go 290.6 divided by 3.14, and I get an answer of 92.5, and you just set it equal to what's left over there, which is the 5L plus 25. And like I always say, everything we do in geometry turns into algebra. Look, you got a two-step equation. So you're going to subtract $25 from both sides. All right, minus 25. I get 67.5. Set it equal to 5L. Then you divide by 5. And then you'll get your lateral height. And I get lateral height is 13.5. Go back. It was in terms of meters. You don't put squared because we didn't find the area. We found one of the dimensions and you put a 13.5 right here. Okay? So look, that's not difficult at all. Okay? All you got to do is have the right formula. You have a formula sheet, update it if you want. Okay? And then once you have the right formula, we're just going to plug and chug. Any questions or comments? Alright, let's just try one more. I feel that you're kind of getting bored and you might need a more exciting one. So I liked number 12 because it was a regular hexagonal. You know, and it's always fun to just say that, hexagonal. Alright, so here we go. Let me erase. Can you say hexagonal? Alright, here we go. Hexagonal what? Pyramid, surface area, right? So again, we just got to have the right formula. Alright, grab your reference sheet. And for a pyramid, the surface area was 1/2 the fun slant height times the perimeter of the base plus the area of the base. All you got to do is plug and chug, I promise you. Okay, let's start with surface area. Did they give it to us? Yeah, look, 401.48. So put it where in the formula is the surface area. Okay, surface area, 401.48. Okay, recopy the 1/2. Okay, did they give you the slant height? They did. Look, slant height is 9.8 feet. I know it's cut off, but I'm telling you, it's 9.8. Trust me. All right, the next letter is P, is perimeter. Did they give you the perimeter? Nope, leave it as letter P. Big B is area of the base. I see area of the base, 166.28. Love it. I love when they give me what I need to get what I need to find out. Why should you be happy right now? Because the only variable you see up there is letter P, and so you can solve. Okay, we want to get P by itself. I'm going to type in 401.48, and I want to get rid of this 166.28 from both sides. We're just getting P by itself, folks. All right, so the worst part of this is typing in right. 401.48, slow down, go minus 166.28, and you get an answer of 235.2. Here's your equal sign, recopy the 1/2, recopy the 9.8, and recopy the letter P. Okay, if you don't like that fraction, then don't deal with it. Let's just double both sides. Okay, I'm going to double both sides. I'm going to take your 235.2 and let's double it. And I get 470.4. And then when you double 1/2, that cancels, and you're left with 9.8p. Divide by 9.8, divide by 9.8. I swear we're getting somewhere. All right, divide by 9.8 gives me the magic number of 48 equals p. Now don't do a Mr. Mac and get all hyper and excited and circle that answer, because what do they want? They want find the side length of the base. Well, here, I'm going to draw you a hexagonal or a hexagon base. So let me do 6 points because my drawing's not the best. And here we go. Let's connect, connect, connect. I got nothing better to do. Let's make a beautiful hexagon. Now that ain't regular, but that's okay, because guess what? This is academics, right? If you mark them all like that, I'm telling you that's regular, okay? Imagine that is a regular hexagon. All sides are congruent. So what am I trying to say? If I want one of them, I take 48 and I divide by 6. Well, 48 divided by 6 is 8. It was in terms of feet, so one of the sides is 8 feet. All right, guys, since you were so good, next lesson will be volume, all right? This was my 30-second video. Holy smokages, it's good to see you, and I hope to see you for real soon. Take it easy.